What if the most famous gemstone in the world was misunderstood? People think diamonds are about sparkle, but the real story is about structure, endurance, and clarity. In fact, the word diamond comes from the Greek adamas, which means unbreakable. That alone tells you something. Diamonds weren't originally worn for romance. They were worn as symbols of strength, performance, and power. So let's break this down, what a diamond really represents, beyond the sparkle. Hi, I'm Deepika Tandon, the founder of Owl Assembly. Diamonds are ruled by Venus in gemstone astrology. Venus represents beauty, attraction, harmony, relationships, and partnerships, and also refinement. This is why diamonds are traditionally aligned with Taurus and Libra, the two zodiac signs known for their appreciation of elegance, aesthetics, and emotional balance. But in certain charts, diamonds can also complement Gemini, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius as a secondary gemstone when selected carefully. Yet here's the interesting part. The power of a diamond isn't only symbolic or astrological, it is also scientific, structural, and architectural. The hardest substance on earth is also the purest. A diamond is pure, crystallized carbon formed deep inside the earth under extreme pressure and heat over billions of years. This is what gives diamond their legendary hardness, 10 on the Mohs scale, the hardest natural material on earth. But hardness alone doesn't make a diamond extraordinary. What makes it extraordinary is how it interacts with light. And when cut precisely, a diamond bends and reflects light in three ways. Brilliance, that is the white light reflection, fire, that is the flashes of rainbow color, and scintillation, that is the sparkle you see when the stone moves. So to sum it up, beyond sparkle, diamond's unmatched refractive index creates brilliance and scintillation, the dance of light that symbolizes clarity in relationships. That entire optical performance depends on how the stone is cut and set, which brings us to craftsmanship. Across cultures, diamonds have always symbolized something deeper: clarity, commitment, and integrity. In astrology, Venus energy represents the ability to attract harmony and beauty into one's life. This is why diamonds are often associated with emotional balance, relationship harmony, self-worth, refined taste, and personal magnetism. What this really means is that diamonds represents clarity in values. They are not only symbols of love, they are the symbols of endurance and the truth. Here's something most jewelry brands never explain. A diamond performs best when light can enter and exit the stone freely. That's why at Owl Assembly, our gemstones are mounted using hollow seed architecture. Now, instead of blocking the base of the stone, the metal setting allows light to pass through the diamond and interact naturally with its facets. This does two things. First, it maximizes the diamond's brilliance, and second, it allows the stone to maintain direct skin contact, which many traditions believe helps preserve the stone's energetic alignment. When combined with precision cutting and balanced proportions, the result is a diamond that forms exactly as nature intended. Craftsmanship is what turns a gemstone into an heirloom. The truth is, diamonds are not powerful because they sparkle, they are powerful because they endure. They form slowly and they survive through pressure. They remain unchanged for generations. That's why diamond jewelry often becomes a family legacy. Whether crafted into rings, pendants, earrings, bracelets, or wedding bands, a diamond piece carries both beauty and performance. Luxury, when done thoughtfully, becomes something that lasts far beyond a moment. And diamond is not status, it is frequency. If you are curious to explore naturally mined, ethically sourced, certified diamond jewelry crafted with global standards of precision, visit owlassembly.com and follow us for deeper insights into gemstones, craftsmanship, and zodiac symbolism.